So what happens next? Well, after you send those dispute letters and attachments to each of your 3 credit reporting agencies by certified mail with return receipt requested, I had told you earlier we would talk about why the return receipt requested was important. Well, it's important because of the 30-day rule. The credit reporting agencies have 30 days from the date they receive your dispute to give you an answer. So you want that return receipt so you can mark on your calendar. You can use a little tack like our nice little picture here does to identify which date they're supposed to get you a response by. And that response could come in a few forms. First, they could ask you for more time. They're allowed to do that, but they have to at least ask you for the more time. Second, they could delete or update the information to correct it based on the error that you identified. Awesome. Job well done. Your dispute letter did the trick, and now your credit score should reflect that update. The final response from the credit reporting agency is where my firm would come into play, or any other consumer protection attorney that does what we do. And that is where the credit reporting agency verifies the information as accurate. Even though you spoon-fed them and showed that it is foolproof, that the information is not accurate. So if you fall into this third bucket, your dispute letter didn't do the job, even though it was so clear and concise and had everything in there that it needed to have in there, the credit reporting agency will tell you, well, don't worry, you can add a comment to your credit file. Well, that is super nice of them, but adding a comment does not improve your score. And adding a comment often does not even go into a creditor's decision when you're applying for credit, right? So that does not only remove the information or update it like it should be to be accurate on your credit report, it just doesn't move the needle on the impacts of that improper information on your ability to obtain new credit, get those preferred interest rates, and really have that financial freedom that you deserve.